Hey y'all, we're heading outside. We're gonna go check the garden. Alrighty, you guys, so I'm outside in my garden. I actually need to come out here and tend to some things in this garden, actually. But I am going, oh my God, y'all, this is gonna be so great. Okay, I'm gonna set you guys up on a tripod so I can pull off some of these dead leaves, because they do tend to pull some nutrients out of the garden. But I'm gonna share with you what I got. All right, you guys, so let me just share with you. I've got to get some of these off, right? See those, right? But I have tomatoes, little cherry tomatoes. Now, we planted regular sized tomatoes last year and we did not get but 1 or 2. But these little cherry tomatoes, I've got some orange ones or yellow ones and red. Jackson, do you see Mom's shears? But there's tomatoes everywhere. There's some here, some there. Oh, look at those. They look beautiful. Look. Oh, my word. Look in there. We've got peppers coming too, right? We've got peppers in here. I've got peppers coming, all buds. I've got jalapeno in there. We've got peppers coming here. We have purple peppers. Do you see that? Purple peppers. I've got banana peppers back there. Onions are still looking good. I've got a water. We just have not been getting a lot of good water going. With my strawberries, it's so hard to remember what's a strawberry and what's a weed. Thank you, baby. But these are peppers, so I have a lot of buds on those. There's flowers here on those. I've got a ton of flowers here. My beans have a ton of flowers, but I also have some leaves. We just need to water better that are going a little brown on us. Peppers here. Nothing in this strawberry bed yet. We have flowers on this pepper. Tons of little flowers on the beans. All on the beans. Oh, I think I see a bean. Let me get my life together. Look. There's a little green bean coming. Yay. I'm just going to prune. Oh, there too. There too. All right. So I'm just going to come in and prune some of those leaves off. There's the outside sitting area. And then, okay, so last year I had cucumbers everywhere. This year my cucumbers are struggling. And I think it's partially because of the watering. So I'm going to definitely make sure that I come out and water much better once I get home. But I do have a big one here. These couple are little, so I'm hoping as they begin to vine, they'll grab on to this lattice. And then of course we put some string out. So I've got one here, there, and there. I do need to come in and weed. I'll weed this weekend. I've got one coming up here. There's a little one coming up there. I'll have to weed, of course, out here. I'll do some weeding. Now this is a little bit of an encouragement now, because my zucchini are finally starting to do something. For a little while, they were just like tiny, smaller than this. But this one already has flowers on it. And so they're actually starting to bud now, or get a little bigger, grow a little bigger. So I'm actually going to get the kids out. Jackson, I need you to get the water can, because we got to water more. Tell your sister we got to water more. It's not watered well enough. And then, of course, our carrots are here. Now, we did full rows, so I'm going to have to go through here, okay, and see and weed. Now, I don't know if you watch Helen H., but her garden is absolutely beautiful. And then I like Lead Farmer. I don't get to watch Lead Farmer. I don't really watch a lot of YouTube videos, really, because I just don't have time. But I'm going to do my best to catch up during the summer. So, yes, lovely.
You told them like for today or for like just
no, right now. Right now. Now is the time. That's probably a song, some kind of place. But once school is out, you know, I'll be able to sit down and really watch a few of the people that I like and, you know, pick up whatever tips that I can. I know Helen was talking about powdery mildew, so I'm trying to make sure that I don't water my leaves. The one problem, again, and it's so dry here in North Carolina. I mean, we have not had a good rain, and I don't know when. Have not had a good rain. But we just been trying to hand water, and of course that's always a challenge because see, they watered, right, but they surface water, and it makes my nerves bad because this part over here is dry as a bone. This is right here is wet, but it's just surface wet. So I gotta make sure that they realize we have to water. That's like a whole job, right? But I'm hopeful that we'll get zucchini this year. We planted zucchini last year and they did really well, but nothing ever, you know, we had flowers, but we didn't have anything. Get the water, it's not watered enough. Where's your brother? He needs the watering can. He needs to go ahead and fill up the watering can while we gotta soak through. Because this one cucumber is so much bigger than the rest of the cucumbers. That should we plant them all at the same time? Shouldn't be like that. Jackson, take that watering can inside. Take both of them inside, Mom's bathroom, and fill them, please. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
So, anywho, I'm going to set you guys up on a tripod while I try to do a little bit of gardening. All right, y'all, we doing good, looking good. Got everything watered, so it's all looking good. My tomatoes look really good. I'm really proud about those. My peppers are growing. Like I said, we have purple peppers, we got bell pepper, green bell peppers, we got jalapenos, we got banana peppers, onions, but tomatoes look amazing. So there it is, garden update. Let me give you one more quick look-see. There we go. Those are tomatoes, 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 tomatoes. We're not going to be buying those in a long while. Peppers. It's already peppers there. Peppers there. The purple ones are my favorite. Purple peppers. Jalapeno. Banana. Onions, of course. We don't have any peppers on these quite yet, but lots of flowers. Lots and lots and lots of flowers. So it's doing good. We're doing good. We just got to keep up on our watering because it's really, really, really dry here. Really dry. So very dry. But anyway, there it is, you guys. Garden update. First garden update since we planted, really. And we hope you enjoyed it. So if you like this video, thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Jackson's on the trampoline. trampolining, doing all the trampoliny type things.
Do a flip.
Do a flip.
Let's do it.
Oh yeah, trampolining. Thanks you guys. See y'all later. Bye.